virtually the world over has failed to understand what a woman is. She is the generator, operator, and destructor all. She is Vaidehi, doesn't care for the body itself at all. She is beyond the three modes of nature, goodness, passion, and ignorance, जिसको सात्विकता, राजसिकता और तामसिकता कहते हैं. Her mind is always fixed upon Lord Prabhu Jagannatha. Her intellect is absorbed in Jagannatha. Her senses dwell couched in Jagannatha. So every particle of her body speaks the language of Lord Prabhu Jagannatha. Now this question you have floated to me, what is the future of these women you see in the coming times to come? Can anybody speak of what Jagannatha will do in the times to come? And that is what they are doing, you see. And they will do the verdict, they will fulfill the purpose of Lord Prabhu Jagannatha for the whole of the world. This Odisha is not a state. It is not a country even. It speaks of the world, you see. Not only of this world, infinitely many worlds. So as far as Lord Prabhu Jagannatha is concerned, कोई आईब्रोज नहीं है, पांव नहीं है. इसलिए रामायण में कहते हैं पद पाताल, शीस अज धामा, अपर लोक अंगंग विश्रामा. Infinitely many worlds, cosmos, you see, universes reside in. And so these infinitely many universes reside in these women you call women. I don't call them women, I call them, you see, Adi Shakti. Manifestations of Adi Shakti, you are, I am. Everybody is the manifestation, incarnation of these Adi Shakti. That is what the real thing is. Well, in brief, I would like to say that this is a congregation, a very small congregation of reciprocity, philanthropy, togetherness, oneness. Not only for India, it is for the whole of the world, you see. This small group is conveying this message to the whole of the world, you see. That anything can be done. Values plus determination, that becomes your culture. And culture plus self-restraint, जिसको संयम कहते हैं. I don't exist anywhere, you see. I was never existing, don't exist, I will never exist. As small as the smallest possible pebble, you can say, like this on the seashore. Ramanujan was a great mathematician. He would teach us like zero, God, and infinity are interconnected, interwoven. Zero, Adi Shakti, or infinity, Anand. So here, as far as I am feeling is this thing, they are moving towards infinity, from zero to infinity. And from zero to infinity, you see, it is full of muskan. There was a question raised by Uddhav to Shri Krishna. Okay, now you are going from this world, how can we meet you? He said that only smile, you see, muskan kariye. So one of the lady was speaking, you see, like this, you see. When everything goes wrong, I don't forget to smile, you see. That is what the ladies were saying, you see. And that is not a message for India. It is a message for the whole of the world, you see. In every man is not a creature of circumstances. They say that circumstances are our creatures. And that is the truth. All of us, you and me, are just very small creatures of these persons. That one should understand. And then the political leaders of the world would also understand like that. Still, people are not understanding like that, you see. So many murders, so many wars are there, you see. Why? For what? All the five elements, you see, earth, ether, air, water, fire, are not created by any person, any president of any country. They are all gifted by the Adi Shakti. किधर से आया है सब? कैसे होम ऊर्ज को बंद करेंगे? कैसे किधर क्या गचर पे? This is all nonsense, you see.
So nowadays, women are producing for leaders, even leaders are producing business and politics. And how you see Odisha's future?
As far as Odisha is concerned, business का spelling अलग है, BEE और NESS है. हम we don't damage the flower. We don't damage their fragrance, but we collect honey from that for the people of India, for the people of the world, and for us also. So business ka spelling as far Odisha is concerned, I spell it otherwise. BEENESS. It is not BUSINESS. So as far as the business is concerned, these are the ladies who call themselves leaders. They are producing business like this. BEENESS. It is not BUSINESS. मेरी बहन है छोटी मेरी छोटी बहन है मेरी इंस्पिरेशन है आई एम टेम्प्टेड टुवर्ड्स इट
So how you see
allured attachment
बीजेपी पार्टी के आगे क्या दिखते हैं
it is not
बीजेपी में फ्यूचर क्या है
future is you see an illusion you see it is never certain you can talk of the present moment you see as far as past and future are they are both illusions just after one moment you will become this will become past and you are coming to the future you see so as far as past and future are concerned they are illusion bhram hai you can't decide it like that you see. Anything can happen at any time
how you see the women leadership in politics?
they produce leaders you see I have said like that you see they are the generators operators and instructors also if they come to themselves you see everything will be done as far as leaders are concerned they are mothers you see even Narendra Modi sought permission from his mother that should I go to Delhi she says no you go to the world you see so they are the inspirers they are the motivators they are the preservers they are the custodians they are the protectors and all of us you and me myself seek shelter under their umbrella you see our intelligence should be absorbed in them what is intellect after is the river of divine wisdom clearing all chaos say fundamentalism terrorism indolence inactivity impurity inertia confusions conclusions conventions and even intelligence also that is what they are doing you see
ଆଜି ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଲିଡର୍ସଙ୍କ ମିଟ୍ ଅଛି ବାବୁଜୀଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବି ସେ ଆମ ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନ୍ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଲିଡର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ ମିଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କାହିଁକି ନା ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ 6-7 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲୁ ସଂଗଠନ ମାନେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବାବୁଜୀଙ୍କ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲୁ ସେ ଆମକୁ ବହୁତ ଇନ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଥିଲେ ବହୁତ ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରେରଣା ଦେଇଥିଲେ କି ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ିପାରିବୁ ତ ଆଜି ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଠି ଅଛୁ एंड आज बहुत खुशी लगुच बहुत वुमेन लीडर्स आम संगे अच्छा समस्त को बहुत बहुत स्वागत जनइबी एंड एटा गोटे सिट डाउन डिनर थिला मात्र 25 जन वुमेन लीडर्स को हमें डाकिचु किसी जन स्पॉन्सर अच्छा और बाकी सब बिजनेस लीडर जो बाबूजी संगे हमें आगु बहुत मिसीचु एंड आमर गोटे ही माने एथरे माने टार्गेट रही कि गोटे सर्कल ऑफ ट्रस्ट क्रिएट हम कि वुमेन लीडर्स केमिति आगोर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को अलगा जो मैंने स्टार्टअप्स को एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को हाथ धरिक आगे को टाणी पारे एंड जहाँ भी दरकार आम अच्छू कहीं आम से गति आगु बढ़ी चलीचु बट आम बहुत गुटे प्रॉब्लम्स भी फेस करें चाहूनु कि अलग मैंने फेस करूँ तो से गोटे ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग गोटे कनेक्शन एंड सेटा ही आम सब मैंने प्रोपागेंडा में करने चेष्टा करूँ कि वुमेन ही वुमेन को धरिकी आगे टाणी तो आज समस्त को धन्यवाद देवी बहुत सुंदर नारी माने बहुत सुंदर से जो माने एते से माने अचीव करछंती लाइफ रे तांकर जो स्टोरीज हमें सुनिलु हमको बहुत ही प्रेरित करिछि एंड आशा करू छी एटा जस्ट स्टार्ट हैला फर्स्ट टाइम एवरी ईयर बाबूजी हम करेंगे आप आइएगा हम इसको और बड़ा करेंगे एंड कोशिश करेंगे कि और वुमेन हमारे साथ इसमें जुड़े आज्ञा
politics रो अछंती
आज्ञा
culture field रो अछंती
आज्ञा
acting field रो अछंती
आज्ञा
बहुत सारा field रो
आज्ञा आज्ञा
field रो लेकिन को अपन
डेफिनेटली एथर तो बिजनेस है कहीं ना माने बाबूजी ये बट आगु को जाइए मुझे तो आशा करी सबू क्षेत्र लोक रहा दरकार माने नारी माने रहा दरकार खाली 25 जन नहीं आगु को जाइए 25,000 नारी आम संगे जड़ित हूँ से ही आम प्रयास रही 2 दिन में एंड बट यस कि नारी माने लाइक आई सेड मु कहूଥିଲି कि बाबूजी ओडिशा 5 साल पहले 10 साल पहले जैसे नारी एक साथ हम थे, आज आप देखेंगे ना हर क्षेत्र में नारी बहुत आगे है। आई फील कि होल इंडिया रे ओडिशा रे वुमेन आर मच मच अहेड को भी क्षेत्र नियंतु कल्चर नियंतु हमर एठी अछंती पद्मिनी मैडम एते बढ़िया से माने नृत्य तांकर ओडिसी सब ये करंती तनया पटनायक मैडम अछंती से हम प्राइड सोफिया मैम अछंती से हमर सबुटु बड़ प्राइड वी सो हैप्पी सोफिया दैट यू कुड जॉइन अस तो समस्त को नाम भी सुचेता मैडम अछंती एठी श्रावणी अछंती सुपर्णा मैडम अछंती हम देखतोनी अनिता मैडम अछंती तो एमाने समस्त जने जने लीडर एंड वी होप कि आहुरी खाली भुवनेश्वर नाही आमे पूरा ओडिसा रो वुमेन लीडर्स को नेकरी आगु को ए कन्वेंशन करिवु ऑब्वियसली करिवु बट यस एटा गुड सर्कल ऑफ ट्रस्ट गुड स्टार्टिंग गुड बिगिनिंग है जी एंड बाबूजी आपका आशीर्वाद रहे
आशीर्वाद तो आपका चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच इन मीडिया भाई भौणी मान को सब बड़े धन्यवाद देबी कि आपण माने नारी मान को माने सपोर्ट रे सबले ठिया हेचंती मोर मने अछि लास्ट 15 वर्ष हला मोइटी काम आरंभ करिछि एंड सब थरो सब इवेंट रे सब मीडिया भाई भौणी माने हमको बहुत प्रमोट करंती तो थैंक यू सो मच आशा करछि आपण सब नारी मान को एमती गोटे माने प्रमोशन देबे आगो को भी थैंक यू सो मच तानी और सोफिया रवि